LiveSwitch can help guys change the way they do FNOL. Guys,
Yes.
LiveSwitch, if you haven't taken a demo over there yet, James and my boys over there, they're doing a great job.
Yep.
Okay, they've got a phenomenal product. With what we can do here for you is when the call comes in, you can send your customer a text message. They open up that text message, they walk around the damage area, show you what it is, no matter if it's a basement, a bedroom, or a building. The whole thing gets captured via video calling. Behind the video calling, there's an extremely powerful and smart AI engine that's trained how you want it to be to notice what you want it to notice. If you want it to notice general cleanliness, colors of walls, where the damage is, all these types of things, this AI engine can publish you doctorate level notation that you can now arm your guys with. So instead of guessing how many fans you need to bring or how many trucks you need to send, you can give your technicians this note that comes directly out of the call instantly. As soon as the call is over with, you have a note about everything that was there.
No, I think it's amazing. So we're on our 11th year of Ironclad restoration marketing as a digital agency for the restoration industry. I've never taken the step to partner with or really promote anything ever until I got in touch with James from LiveSwitch, and I saw the potential selfishly of what it could do for my clients.